So my plan is just to show how easy it is to change the horn to something much louder on my 2016 Honda Africa Twin. I think it's pretty much the same on most bikes, but it's actually particularly easy for this one. What I'm going to be using is this. I don't know if it goes by FIAMM or FIAMM Freeway Blaster. So this is the sound of the stock horn while it's running. This is an example. Again, this is the stock horn what we have. Sounds loud in the garage, but not so loud outside. So my understanding is these are the only tools you need. 10 millimeters and 12 millimeter sockets. The horn, just right here. This one's a 12 millimeter socket. I believe on the back of this is 10, but I'll check in a moment. And then you just unplug, plug back in, tighten it up, and that's all. So let's see. Just pop these out safely. And then I believe that's a 10 millimeter right there. I'll take this off. So the rear of the new one's got the same place to mount this brace. So now this goes in the same place, and we should be all done. So I'll tighten this back on with the wrench. I guess I forgot to do that. Let's see if first thing, if we can turn, yep, doesn't touch this way, or it's totally fine. Get close, but totally fine. This way, totally fine, of course. So let's power it up, see how much louder it is. It's exciting. All right, it's way louder. It was actually really easy.